Are you having a hard time staying positive? Consistently worrying about things or feeling just down? I know it's the winter and we can get the winter blues. Life is tough and it can be easy to get bogged down with all of these negative feelings. Ocean Jasper can help. These crystals are excellent for lifting your spirits and helping you feel a little bit more optimistic. They work to relieve negative energy and feelings and encourage good feelings of joy, happiness, and elevated spirits. In addition, their energy can also help you to communicate more positively, boosting your self-confidence and esteem, and even understanding yourself a little bit better. You can use Ocean Jasper in your meditation practice, especially if you want to break through negative thought patterns or release any pent-up negative emotion, especially if you're feeling stressed out or want to let go of tension you're holding on to. Ocean Jasper reminds us to live with an open heart and a peaceful mind, allowing universal energies to flow through us. Wearing Ocean Jasper jewelry is an effective way to connect with the stone's energy throughout the day. Known for its calming effects, Ocean Jasper can help maintain a positive attitude even when you face adversity. It can help you feel a little bit more comfortable in social situations by improving your communication skills and boosting your self-assurance. Carry an Ocean Jasper tumbled stone with you whenever you are feeling the need for an extra boost of positivity. Hold the stone over your heart or stick it in your bra whenever you need an extra dose of happiness and good vibes. For in the home, Ocean Jasper is the perfect stone if you're looking to bring a little bit more calming energy into your home or the workplace. It can be placed in the four corners of your home or office to create a barrier that deflects negative emotions and energy and just keeps that positive good vibes in. Finally, to cleanse, Ocean Jasper, as we know, is a water-safe crystal from the Mohs hardness scale as it grades from a 6.5 to a 7. So you can hold this stone under running water to cleanse. You can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or even placing under the full moon. Now, it comes from the sea, so you can also do a saltwater cleanse with this one. It's one of my favorites to do. I always love cleansing my Ocean Jasper in the ocean. Please remember to like and follow us for more. If you liked any of these stones you saw, we have them available in our shop at newmoonbeginnings.com.